Let's see how to delete contacts from Google account in Android phone. Go to Phone Settings. Go to Google account. Tap on your Gmail. Tap on Google account. Go to People and Sharing option. Tap on Contacts. Tap on Stay on Web. Here you will see your all saved contacts in Google account. Now tap on Contact Profile to select. If you want to select all contacts with one tap, then first select one contacts, and the tap on this option. Here you will see all option to select all contacts. After selecting, tap on three dots, and you will see Delete option. Now tap on Move to Trash. That's it. So this is the simple step to delete contacts from Google account in Android phone. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.